Is your whole desktop freezing up or straight up not responding on your Windows 11 PC? Don't sweat it. In this video, I'll walk you through some easy solutions to fix the issue. No time to waste, let's dive right in. Solution 1. Restart Windows Explorer. To do this, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager from the pop-up menu. Now in the search box, type in Windows Explorer. Then right-click on Windows Explorer process and select Restart from the context menu. After it's restarted, check if that solved the issue. Solution 2. Update your graphics card driver. You can update it in 3 ways: using Windows Update or Device Manager, or downloading it from the device manufacturer's website. Method 1. To update your graphics driver from Windows Update, open Settings. Then click on Windows Update and click on Check for Update. Now Windows will update any outdated driver, including your graphics driver. Method 2. However, if there are no updates found here, you have to use the Device Manager. To do this, type Device Manager in the search box and click to open it. Then click on the little arrow in front of the display adapters to expand it. Next, right-click on your graphics card name and select Update Driver. Then click on Search automatically for drivers. Device Manager will update your graphics driver if there are any available updates. After it finishes, close the tab. Method 3. You can also visit your graphics card manufacturer's website and download the updated graphics driver from there. After downloading and installing the latest driver, reboot your computer and check if the issue is gone. So folks, that's how you deal with the desktop freezing or not responding issue in Windows 11. If the video helped you sort out the issue, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. Thanks a million for watching.